Hi guys, Alan here from Lookers in Ellesmere Port again. Today we're going to talk about something that experienced drivers find quite easy, but newer drivers find more daunting and more difficult. And that is how to access the fuel filler cap on your Vauxhall to fuel your car. So for that we're going to use a variety of different models, as there are a few different variations across the range. This is your first time to our channel? Welcome. Please hit the like button and let me know in the comments section if you've ever misfueled your car. Before we take a look, I just want to cover some of the jargon you might have heard people using. Those are the terms near side and offside. Now you might have wondered what these meant. Simply think about the curb at the side of the road. The passenger side is nearest to the curb and is therefore the near side, and the driver's side is the furthest away from the curb and therefore the offside. The majority of Vauxhalls have their fuel cap here on the offside, apart from the Crossland X and the Combo Life, which have it here on the near side. So let's have a look at the Corsa. Firstly, you need to make sure that the car's central lock-in is unlocked, or else you can't get access to the fuel filler flap. So simply open it here, and inside you will see the fuel filler cap. Turn the cap in an anti-clockwise direction, and once it's open, rest the cap on the bracket just here. Okay, so we've all filled up and we put the nozzle back. Simply put the cap back on and turn it in a clockwise direction until it clicks to make sure it's locked. And then close over the flap. Let's have a look how to open the fuel flaps on the other cars in the Vauxhall range. As you can see, cars like the Insignia and the Grandland X have a push button to access the fuel filler cap inside. Simply push here on the left of the flap and you can see it open. Then you do the same steps as earlier. The last difference is here, the Insignia fuel neck. Now you'll notice that it doesn't have a fuel cap covering it. It has a misfuel inhibitor, another great innovation to help stop any potential misfueling. So there you go, that's how to fuel your Vauxhall the easy and correct way. Thanks for watching and we'll see you again.